Logic Cat is a smart and lovely cat who loved to cast Excel logical functions. IFS is one. This is a functions which you can input update to 127 conditions. Here is the syntax of IFS functions. In this example, I want to find out the bonus for each salesperson base on their annual sales. The table on the right-hand side shows the bonus of 3 different annual sales amounts. First, input this formula in cell C8. Then copy the formula to the rest of the cells. The task is completed. Thanks for watching.